Let's solve a CAT 2025 slot 2 question. The question says the cost price of an article is 1650. When given a discount of D, we get 20% profit. And for the same article, when given a discount of 2D, then we get 110 rupees as a profit. Then you have to find at what discount percentage the discount percentage will be equal to profit percentage for the same article. You know that if 20% profit is there, then CP is 1650. That means in absolute value you will get 330 as a profit, and the SP will become summation CP plus profit, that is 1980. Here the CP will become, you add profit in cost price, that will become 1760. So the difference here we are getting of 220, that is because of extra discount. That means that D is equivalent to 220 rupees. Now if D is 220 rupees, then you can add in SP to get mark price. So you get mark price equals to 2200. Now you have to find the discount percentage at which discount percentage will be equivalent to profit percentage. So discount is always given on mark price. So you can say 1 minus D percentage, that will be equal to profit percentage. Profit percentage is always calculated on cost price, that is 1650 into 1 plus D. This is also we have written the selling price. This is also we have written the selling price, and from both directions selling price will be same. So you can, from here you can solve like this, that 1 plus D and 1 minus D will be equivalent to 2200 upon 1650. 0 and 0 will cancel out. It is 1120 times, it is 1115 times. Finally you can get 4 and 3. Now cross multiplying this, we get 3 plus 3D, 4 minus 4D, that means 7 times D will be equivalent to 1. That means D will be equals to 1 by 7, and 1 by 7 is near about 14.28%. That will be the correct answer.